Welcome. Front is an LG V50, and today I will show you how to put this device into safe mode. And to start it off, simply hold the power key. Once you see the two different boot options, what you want to do is hold the power off option. As you can see, this will change into safe mode and give you a message to turn on safe mode. This phone will restart and create certain apps will be unavailable to help troubleshoot the phone. When you restart the phone again, safe mode will be turned off and all apps will be available. And if you're still wondering what this mode is exactly for, I think the easiest way to describe it is if, for instance, you're getting ads on your phone for no reason on the home screen, it's most certainly an app that you have installed. Either some kind of themes or icon packs or any kind of application being a complete virus. And opening it up in safe mode will give you that information, for instance. So if you run it in safe mode, obviously that app will not be able to start off and therefore it will not display ads. Now, you really won't know which app it is, but you will be then certain that it is something that you have installed rather than, for instance, the latest update to Android. But here we go. Once it boots back up, you can see that right now it is in safe mode once you tap to turn it on. And also widgets are disabled, as you can obviously see. So yeah, and that is basically how you boot your device into safe mode. And to leave it, like we've seen before, to leave it, hold power key and simply select power off and restart. And this will bring us back to the normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.